Hi there. As you have seen the highlights of CareVoiceOS in previous materials, this demo should give you an in-depth look at how CareVoiceOS is managed by the operation administrator and most importantly, what your end customer users actually get. Starting with CareVoiceOS's multi-tenancy, let me show you quickly how easy it is to create a tenant on the fly. A common use case for a multi-tenant setup is when an insurer needs a solution hosted and managed at one market, but still needing to offer services to surrounding territories. This is important when there are branding differences or completely different service mapping requirements, or regulatory needs that require users and its data to be segregated from tenant to tenant logically. With this, CareVoiceOS can accommodate most of the common situations. Starting with a single tenant for your first target market, we have a group management feature designed to provide different service mapping for different eligibilities of users. For insurers, this is commonly known as tiering. On the screen, we have just created two user groups, T1 and T2. We have a standard token mechanism for user onboarding. The CareVoiceOS token is a generated string of random characters to help insurer map a CareVoiceOS account with a policyholder anonymously. This mechanism has been commonly used by different insurers for digital marketing and health engagement apps. Now, as an end customer user, let me activate with a token that belongs to T1. The first screen as a user enters the app is the Wellness Hub, where the user has access to all the services and wellness pillars. As you can see here, there is an existing lifestyle pillar, which we have pre-configured before. Next, we will show you how to add a new wellness pillar and configure a new experience dynamically for a new user that belongs to a different group T2. CareVoice includes a wellness system that enables you to define different kinds of wellness pillars. While we have default recommendations on physical and mental wellness, you have the ability to define additional pillars such as social or financial pillar. After the pillar is set up, using CareVoiceOS's Experience Maker, you are now able to configure an experience with your choice of selected journeys. For example, activity tracking or nutrition tracking in the lifestyle pillar. A user experience is always linked to a user group. You can create a different experience for another user group. Here we can assign a different experience for the user group Tier 2. As you can see, the experience now for this user is different to the T1 user shown previously. Our solution is white labeled. However, this is much more than just change a logo. CareVoiceOS design system allows the whole experience to become compatible with your brand, including but not limited to colors, fonts, button padding, the roundness of edges, and many more. Look at this level of configurability. Is it as extensive as some design tools such as Figma? Next, let's dive into how CareVoiceOS empowers you to engage with your users. Firstly, CareVoiceOS has recurring milestone and goals mechanism to empower your customer users to engage with our task recommendations, such as extra daily steps to medication. For optimizing engagement more aggressively, we can enable campaign challenges for your users on the fly to match your offline marketing campaigns, such as the 7-Day Energy Boost Challenge that is shown on the screen. Further, if you leverage CareVoice's engagement as a service, we can guarantee an increase in your app's MAU. Configurability is the key to let you have complete control over management, such as localization. Whether it's renaming pillar names or adjusting task descriptions, everything is fully editable. CareVoiceOS follows industry standards around security. We have built-in role-based access control to ensure administrators with different roles can only access what they should access and control what they can control. CareVoiceOS frontend consists of two native mobile options for your customer's digital ecosystem. I would like to emphasize that CareVoiceOS frontend has a design system that is highly based on the thinking of optimal end-user experience. Fundamentally, it is the end customer users that benefit from this program. Therefore, nothing beats a native experience. This is why the two mobile options we have out of the box is built natively. Please see how it is structured and how it may fit into your existing or new mobile solution. We also have a developer website where we announce official releases of our CareVoiceOS mobile SDK with details of the changes. Our releases are always going to be backwards compatible to ensure there are no breaking changes. You may also find the CareVoiceOS mobile SDK documentation on the developer website, which you can review to understand how much effort is needed to integrate. We've now seen how CareVoiceOS is built for experience, engagement, and flexible rollout. CareVoiceOS is designed to tailor to your brand and requirements to deliver a unified digital experience for your end customers. Thank you for watching.